I am about to give you the exact blueprint to destroy your akhirah in record time. I am telling you this so you can do the exact opposite. Step 1. Be a casual Muslim. Do not actually read the Quran with understanding. Just rely on the 3 surahs you memorized when you were 6 years old and assume that is enough for the creator of the universe. You would never accept this level of ignorance in your career, but go ahead and accept it for your soul. Treat Islamic knowledge like it is optional. Just coast on autopilot until you meet Allah with nothing but excuses. Step 2. Make Allah your backup plan. Build your entire identity around your job, your body, and your bank account. Give your boss your best energy. Give your friends your best time. And then, only if you have a few minutes left, squeeze Allah into the leftovers. Make sure your calendar is full of meetings but empty of Salah. Treat this temporary world like it is your permanent home, and treat the afterlife like it is just a distant rumor. If you do these things, you will succeed in losing everything. You will wake up in the grave realizing you spent your whole life building a house you couldn't keep. But you are still breathing. You can still fix this. Close the distractions. Open the book. Make Allah your priority right now. Save yourself.